Whenever you're dealing with rational exponents or radicals and trying to convert back and forth between them, they're always going to follow the same pattern. I've written the rule or the pattern right up here at the top, but know that this is always going to be on your reference material. It's on your reference material for the STAR test. It's on your reference material for the district checkpoints. So you don't really have to memorize this. You just have to know how to use it when you get one of these problems. So let's start with this second one where we have a rational exponent, meaning a fractional exponent, and we want to turn it into a radical, meaning we want it to go back into the square root. So we're just going to say equals, and then we put our base underneath the square root or underneath the radical, and then we follow the pattern. The pattern says our numerator, our m, that's going to go underneath. So that's going to go with my b, and my denominator is the one that goes on the outside. Now, to simplify this, and the reason I use this as the example, is we never need to write an exponent of 1. So we can just get rid of that exponent of 1 because that's an assumed. And just in the same manner, this is a square root sign, this radical. So whenever we have a 2, we don't have to write that either. So my final answer to simplifying or turning that into a radical is just the square root of b. Now on the other hand, I've got a radical that I want to turn into a rational exponent. So in order to do that, I'm just going to say equals, and I'm going to write my base, and then according to my pattern above, the number that is underneath, that's my m, so that's going to go on top, and the number on the outside is my denominator, and that's my other answer.